Before you can make and receive calls or wirelessly stream music, you first have to pair your phone to the audio system. To begin, you have to establish the right environment, so to speak. The vehicle must be safely parked. If you have an automatic, place the shifter in park. If you have a manual, activate the parking brake and put the transmission in neutral. Finally, make sure any other Bluetooth devices you may have are turned off. Now that the environment is set, we can start the pairing procedure. Pairing involves setting up the phone for pairing, then initiating the pairing procedure on the vehicle. On your phone, go to the Setup or Connections menu and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. For some phones, that's all you'll need to do, just turn it on. On others, though, you'll need to select Discover, Search, or Find Connection. The terminology varies, but basically what you're doing is telling the phone that you are trying to pair it to a new device and that it should actively find and connect to the new Bluetooth source. Check your phone's user guide for the specifics. Now, let's initiate the pairing procedure on the vehicle. On the radio unit, press the Setup button. Use the 2 knob to select Phone, and then select Pair or Pair Phone. Some systems may ask you to say the name of your phone. Afterwards, say yes. It may take a few minutes, but on the display you should see the name of your car and a 4-digit passkey. On your phone, you should see the vehicle name. Select the name and enter the passkey. Some phones will ask you to accept the connection before proceeding. From here, you could see up to 3 messages on the radio display to track progress.
Pairing complete.
The first is pairing complete. You'll see it in the display, and the system may announce it as well, the only time it will speak to you during the process. It could take a few minutes before you see this message, and the radio may play during this time. Up to 5 different phones can be paired to the system, but only one can be used at a time. And that's where the next message comes in. Connection complete indicates that the system and your phone are connected. So at least during this key cycle, only your phone will work through the audio system. That is, unless you select another phone, a topic we'll get to a little later. And the last message you'll see is transfer complete. This means that your phone's call history and phone book or contact list have transferred to the system. Until the transfer is complete, you won't be able to call by name.